Hello, my dear students of class 9th. Dear student, I am Rajendra Rai from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur, presenting this digital video for your learning. My dear student, today's topic is cell. The chapter cell, that is the first chapter, and you have uh, seen, you have learned so many videos as well as in physical class. And now, let us see the videos that is presenting on the screen method. So, dear students, in this video, in this digital video, you are here to learn the chapter cell. My dear students, as you know, the cell is the structural and functional unit of life, and the cell get discovered by the Robert Hooke in 1665 by his simple microscope, and he told that there are small compartments that he found in the cork piece. Later on the discovery of the compound microscope by A.V. Leeuwenhoek, he, he was able to see some bacterial cells, RBC, WBC, etc., and protozoal cells. So, my dear students, now let us see the type of the cells, kinds of the cells. So, dear student, there are two types of the cells. Number one, prokaryotic cells. Dear student, on this screen, you are looking here the prokaryotic cell. This is the bacterial cell, and this bacterial cell is having only nucleic material inside it, and this complete cell, this complete cell is bounded by the cell envelope, and this is called prokaryotic cell or bacterial cell, and ribosomes are also found in this cell that is dipped into the cytoplasm. So, my dear students, this is the prokaryotic cells, and if you see if you see some other images, you will be able to see the cell, that is the other types of the cell. And now, my dear students, see this image, that is the eukaryotic cell, and eukaryotic cell is of two types, animal cell and plant cell. So, dear student, you are looking here the different cell organelles inside this cell, different cell organelles inside this cell, and if you will be able to see this, there are cell wall, cell membrane, mitochondria, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum, nucleus, nucleolus, cytoplasm, and and some other cell organelles also here present in the animal cell. Dear student, come to next diagram, and the that diagram is the see you are looking here on this screen that so many types of cells are here looking by you, and you will be able to learn the structure and function of the different types of the cell that are found in different types of the living organism. So, dear students, now see this diagram. This diagram is showing the endoplasmic reticulum. See the structure of the endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, and nucleus, nucleolus, mitochondria. This one is mitochondria, and so on. So, dear student, come to next slide. Come to next slide. That then you will be able to see here. You will be able to see here the different types of the images here, and let it see the types of the cell and the structure of the cell. The structure of the cell, as far as structure of the cells, you have to see here you have to see the animal cell and plant cell. Two types of cells are there, and inside the cell there are several types of the cell organelles which are found, and they are specified for their own function. So dear student, now see this. This is the plant cell. This is the plant cell that is duly covered by the cell wall. Then inner side, that is the cell membrane. Then Golgi body, Golgi apparatus, chloroplast, vacuole. This is the vacuole membrane, and large vacuoles are there. Uh, Inside the vacuole, there are certain enzymes. Certain rod-like crystals, water, etc. Mitochondria is also you are looking here. This is the mitochondria. This is the chloroplast. This one is the chloroplast. And see here, the Golgi body. This is the Golgi vesicle, ribosomes, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, nucleolus, nucleus, rough endoplasmic reticulum, and large central vacuole, starch grains that get deposited inside it, Golgi vesicles, ribosomes, so many structures that you are looking here, my dear student. And by this diagram, you will be able to see the structure of the animal cell. So my dear student, as far as the detailed structure of this cell is concerned, you have already seen the prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cell, that is the animal cell and plant cell. And in the next slide, you will be able to see the structure and function of different types of the cell organelles that is found in the plant cell as well as the animal cell. So, my dear students, see the several types of the cell that are found in the this nature, and that are found in different types of the uh, 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 living organism. And now, my dear student, let us start the structure of the cell membrane. Structure of the cell membrane that is found around the cell in the animal cell also and in the plant cell also. So, my dear student, the function of the cell membrane is the process of osmosis and process of diffusion. So, process of osmosis takes place by the property of the selective permeable membrane, and this selective permeable membrane perform the function of osmosis. Here you are looking, my dear students, the extrinsic proteins. This red color is the extrinsic protein, and the blue color, that is the intrinsic protein. So one is extrinsic protein and another is the this is the, suppose this is the extrinsic protein, and and this one is the intrinsic protein you are looking here. And my dear students, this is the uh, lipid. This is the lipid ocean, lipid molecules. These are the lipid molecules, and these are the carbohydrate molecules which get attached with the protein molecule. And this complete structure of the carbohydrate, protein, and fat, means lipid, is responsible for the process of the osmosis by the cell membrane. So this cell membrane, structure of this cell membrane is called fluid mosaic model. Fluid mosaic, fluid mosaic, MOSAIC, fluid mosaic, and last but not least, model. This is called fluid mosaic model of the cell membrane. So my dear student, in this structure, you will be able to learn by this graphic representation, by this slide representation, learn it very carefully so that you will be able to explain the structure of this cell membrane. So my dear student, this after this cell membrane, the next video you will be able to see the complete structure of other cell organelles. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.